Day. Bantwana bey'ndlondlo, bantwana bakamoya, bantwana bey'thunywa, bantwana bamakhosi. Especially laba bathi, I've had enough, I quit umsebenzi wedlozi. Not possible. Ubuze mina, iy'ntwaso eziwu-4 zonke zingasebenzi. Ngathi I quit. In fact, I said, ngathi tshela ugobela wokugcina ngathi ongifunayo umuntu uyongithola enkonzweni. Ngahamba ngaye enkonzweni. I think that was the safest thing I've ever done for myself. Kodwa iquit ayisebenzi. Iquit mntana dlozi ngizokuxoxela nje into ongayazi. Iquit akusiyiyo yezwa sweetie. When you quit, you are making matters even worse. Njengomuntu othi akayifuni le nto ayiphiwe, kanti inamba iphumile kuthiwe unikiwe wena, sikulindile uzolungisa umlando wala ekhaya, uzoqopha umlando wala ekhaya, futhi uzolungisa umlando wezulu. So iy'nkinga zethu thina abantwana bedlozi is that sifuna ukulapha into esingayi-understand. Uyilapha kanjani into ongayazi? Ugijimo uye uthwasa ubungoma kanti awuphethwanga ubungoma. Uma ufika lapha ebungomeni nogobela nabo ngiyabasola ngoba umuntu afuna ukulapha into angayazi, angayi-understand. Uyithatha inkomo yengane yabantu uthi uyayelapha kodwa ungayelaphanga. Aphume lo muntu usesenenkinga, futhi inkinga zakhe seziyi-worse mangabe kuwumntwana ongaliphuzi igazi. Nina nibaphuzisa abantwana, nibaphuzisa abantwana babantu amagazi. Umuntu engaliphuzi igazi, isithunywa sakhe singahambi nokuphuza igazi. Waye umuntu ungamjikisi uma ubona ukuthi uyehluleka ukumelapha. Ingane ingane yamakhosi ufuna izokhothama lapho kwakho. How? Ifika ingane iphethwe amakhosi wamanzi, amakhosi entaba ayithwasisela wona ngokwayo. Wena ufuna ukuzothwasisa leyo ngane because you are desperate for money? Mase wehluleka futhi ufuna singasho ukuthi wehlulekile ngoba amahloni nawo embarrassment nayo niyayesaba. Niyabona nti nani nomthelela kulo muntu ukuthi ingane zabantu igcine sezithi I quit, I don't want into edlozi anymore because nina nenzanga izinto ngendlela elifanele nenze ngayo. Nathenjwa ngumoya wasendulo ukuthi nina nizosiza nibe abelaphi, kodwa nilapha kanjani? Mayikuhlula into umuntu vele uthi mntanami ngicela ubuyele ekhaya ngikwazi ukukusiza, ohamba uyokhuluma nabakini, ohamba uyokhuluma nalo moya uxoxise ukuthi uzoxoxa nawe ukutshela ukuthi umoya ovelaphi ufunani phezu kwempilo yakho. In the end, you can't quit.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Felix Hlophe indoda aya Tracy Smith Hlophe ngemva kokuthi abonakale aku-video le-circulator kulapha kuma-social media platforms akhozi nemngane wemfati wakhe nemngane wa-Tracy. And what shocks me ukuthi Tracy was with them. Tracy is the one who was actually taking the video, and she posted the video lapha ku Instagram. Clearly, she doesn't have a problem with Lendo Lesibonala. She doesn't have a problem with mngani wakhe asonzelane nendoda yakhe baze bashayisane nangebuso ngale ndlela. So people are saying ukuthi no guys, girl has a problem. Khona inkinga lanayo Tracy udzinga lisito, akekho right, akekho nje mfati langavuma indoda yakhe because ngale ndlela nemngani wakhe. Uthi Galit yena lapha ku TikTok. Guys, Tracy posted it on Instagram and she seems cool ngalento. They were all together. Ngathi ayidonsi kahle intambo ku Tracy. Uthi Vuyi na Tracy hlaleleni bakithi. Felix akanayo ne 6-pack man. Uthi Zaini na they will not see anything wrong with this. Angithi they are keeping their nuclear family intact. guys, people are shocked ukuthi hayibo. So uTracy uthatha le video lena of her husband akhoze nemngani wakhe uyayiposta. She doesn't see anything wrong with this video, and people are saying ukuthi hayi wena gele vuke emaqanzeni, can't you see that your man is smashing your friend? And naye friend isibinzi usithathaphi sokusonzelana nendoda yemngani wakho ngale ndlela. Guys, leni best friend ya Tracy, like the best friend ya Tracy, and people are like khona into lengekho right. So girl went the video last week where she was telling people ukuthi people should stop dragging his like her husband, because ithanzi husband yakhe and he's a god man. Why bantu bathi uyamhlukubeda, why bathi bantu akamphathi kahle yena uhappy and angajabulela abantu bangahlukana nendoda yakhe, because kumvisa buhlungu uma abantu babona uma yena abona indoda yakhe iva buhlungu because of leti into abantu labatikhulumako angayi. Uthi yana uFelix has a god man, that's why I'm married to him. Awukho umshado longana thinking, and people are like ayibo mbali light. People are just saying ukuthi cha sidanki ngawe wena gele, you can't be saved because sisita wena la wena uboni. So nje people they were saying ukuthi cha gele siyaphuma nje thina bane reality show yabo ke lebitwa nge-live with Felix Hlophe. I think ibitwa njalo angilanzeleli, but nokubona nje ama-clips akho abuyo alapha ku-TikTok, and people are like can see ukuthi man uFelix akamphathi kahle kuTracy, uyamdelela akamhloniphi nje. And that time uTracy like she's down to earth, or asike samva ngisho aphakamisa ivoice yakhe ayiphakamisa la Felix, but the way Felix amtreat ngakhona people are saying ukuthi nca nje wena ufanele nasiyaqela ngazuthi ngibaba siyaqela awukwadi nje kuphatha mfati. Siyakhumbula ukuthi kwaba netikandalo whereby bekane girlfriend yakhe ihlala in one of his apartments. Apparently afuna kuyithatha that girlfriend as his second wife, and things didn't work out, but people are saying ukuthi girl you deserve better. Othina enezama kuseta wena kubuhlungu ukuthi sizame ukukuseta wena ungaboni uboni ngazuthi mhlambe sikuvela mona othina sikuhlukanisa anendoda yakho. But girl delusional, you are very delusional, because why are you still with a guy longakuhloniphi futhi alongakhombisi akukuthandza, but still wena utenda mbali light awuboni ukuthi cha kuyabhetha la. Moving right along, singena estorini sa uSneh Mseleko. Guys, uSneh Mseleko as trending angemva ukuthi abantu babone live yakhe laphana siso sithi gqum, and people are saying ukuthi man uSneh yini vele ngazuthi ubambile. Siyakhumbula ukuthi le video yakhe lena yawususa msindo whereby people are saying ukuthi girl she's pregnant, and when the video denying being pregnant wathi nje yena unemkhaba, but people are saying ukuthi girl mkhaba wakho out of this world. Why ube ngaka? Can't you do something ngemkhaba wakho? People are just saying inkosi yami if mkhaba lona Sneh clearly you need to do something, or because cha kuyamoshakala phela nyalo. So people are saying ukuthi uSneh asimkhipheni momozi, some saying ukuthi unesithembu sebantwana. Guys, kani Sneh unanga kubantwana? I thought uSneh una 2 kids, or angathi ngimlo wati gabi. Why are you guys acting as if uSneh mhlawumbe una 5 bantwana or 6? Guys, uSneh una 2 bantwana, and if are pregnant, no, if angaba pregnant, if she's not pregnant yet, utobasa kabani mntwana wesingaki wes3? Why are you guys acting as ukuthi uSneh mhlawumbe una 10 bantwana ngendlela nikhuluma ngakhona ngaye ukuthi ya nimuke nimomozi kukhuluma bo mother of 4 ngaleso sikhathi? Why are you guys always dragging uSneh uze wathena off my comment section akhe lapha ku TikTok? Because guys, people are bullying the girl. People are just saying all sort of nasty things lapha kuma comments akhe. Wabona ukuthi athi ngivale la bangasakhona ukungikhulumisa laba. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.